All right, hey Tony, Zach Hansen. This is my second go at portfolio review video. Let's see how it goes, hey? So here we have our case study for my app, Plant Expert. So you can see the Plant Expert logo here. You should also be able to see it in this video. We have the summary, and I know you've seen all this before, but it's just good to go back over it. So we start with the challenge. This is what kicked us off. So got our objective, our key themes, our context, the who, what, when, where, and why. Then we go through and we did some competitive analysis. We did our interviews about why people would like this app and why they'd want it, which I think is super key to keep in mind when designing something. Then we went ahead and built personas, which is a great exercise, and came out with some pretty good looking deliverables, I feel. Then we went through and user journeys, what we want, the information architecture of the app. Then we went through and we started building. So we designed some screens on paper, then on tools, and then finally in a design tool like Sketch. Then we go through and do user testing. Then we get the usability test results, which is always fun, so it's very colorful. And then use those results to create some changes to our screens, like you can see here. And then you can also see how some of these screens improved over time. You can see the evolution of each of them. Like here's the calendar booking here. See how that got better, how the video chat got better and better, how the sign up got better and better. And then also, working with others, design collaboration, seeing another person's perspective really helps here. We can also check out the prototype. This time it should be working. Let's see. Let's put it in. Come on. There we go. Hey, so now this is working. And now we should be able to scroll through and check out the app. So go ahead and take a look at that if you want. And so then you can also see some more of the work that I did with this in that link below. Cool. So that's kind of the overview of the app. Cool. So then we'll go through and answer these questions again. So have you given feedback on someone else's design before? What about receiving feedback? I had to give feedback on people's designs just to get some feedback for Plant Expert. It was a bit of a give to get situation, but all the people in the course were super nice and had some great ideas that I just overlook sometimes, and I think I give some helpful feedback as well. How would your teammates describe you as someone to work with? I think I'm a fun, lighthearted person to work with. And I am also I try and get things out. I want to be productive, so I push work out as it comes, and so I'm doing my best to just get things out there, just to get the iterative design process going, as we learned about. All right, tell me about a difficult project. So the hardest part of this whole project was the user testing, just because logistically it was hard, finding people to do it with, and then also people dropped out. Some people are closer to my personas than others, but these things happen, and if you can play it by ear while also having a plan, I think that is a great way to go about it. Now it says, come up with your own question you could ask the interviewer. For instance, something about culture, flow, company vibe, product questions, and more. So the question then now I would ask is, assuming that we want to go forward with hiring me, what would my first 30 days look like? What expectations do you have for me? What deliverables do you want? And then also, what expectations do you have for me in 6 months, and then 9 months, then maybe a year? I think that's a great question you could ask, just to get a better idea of what would be expected out of me in that time. Anyways, that is my second go at the portfolio review, 6.7. I appreciate your feedback. Looking forward to it. Bye.